Hey guys, and welcome to my very first video. Today we will be opening the brand new Yu-Gi-Oh! Soul Fusion booster display. Okay, let's begin. So let's start with the right side. So we have our cross-traded attack, Salamangreat Jackie Jaguar, Salamangreat Gift, Toll Hike, and Galita the Orchrust Automation for super rare. We love the Salamangreat, Praetor Plant, Dragus Tapelia, Crusadia Sparta, and Orchestrated Core. Second pack, Crusadia Crawler, Until Noble Arms Are Needed Once Again, Invisibility Barrier, Incantation Bookstone, Token Collector for a rare, and Sky Striker Maneuver Vector Blast for a super rare. Concentrating Current, Dino Wrestler Stegosaur, and Necrofusion. Agave Dragon, Galaxy Brave, World Legacy World Wand, Clock Spartoy, I don't know how to pronounce it, and Orchrustion for first ultra rare. Nice. Salamangreat Falco, Orchrusted Einsatz, Gravekeeper Spiritualist, and Salamangreat Emerald Eagle, sorry. Dino Wrestler Pancatrops, nice card. Salamangreat Foxy, Elvis of the Nordic Alfar, Edge Imp Cotton Eater, Salamangreat Heatleo, and Noble Knight Ivan for super rare. Duplexer Chimera, Incantation Pansy Plume, and DDD Super Doom King Purple Armageddon. So far so good. Salamangreat Gift, Invisibility Barrier, World Dino Wrestling, Token Collector again, and Longirsu the Orchestrator. Salamangreat Sanctuary, Patchwork Fluffle, Concentrating Current, and Salamangreat Falco. Giant Ballpark, Ostinato, Salamangreat Jaguar, Until Noble Arms Are Needed Once Again, Necro Valley Temple, and Condemned Witch for a first secret rare. Nice, beautiful artwork. The Revenge of the Normal, Orchestrated Core, Gravekeeper Spiritualist. Agave Dragon, Orchestrated Attack, World Legacy World Wand, Dino Wrestler King T. Rextel, Necro Valley Temple for rare, and Herald of the Abyss for our super rare. Orchestrated Einsatz, Dino Wrestler Capoeira Raptor, and Galaxy Cleric. Next pack. Galaxy Brave, DDD Flame King Flame High King Genghis, Invisibility Barrier, Thunder Dragon Matrix, and Longyear Studio, Orcus Ocarus Raider, Salamangreat Mir, Salamangreat Sanctuary, Salamangreat Emerald Eagle, and Prelbrand Dragostapelia. Well, Dino Wrestling, Predaplast, Dino Wrestler Capatera, Crusadia Crawler, Galaxy Trance, and Extra Foolish Burial for Super Rare. Crusadia Sparta, Diplexa Chimera, and King Purple Armageddon. Salamangreat Gift, Dino Wrestler Pankatrops, Edge Imp Cotton Eater, Orcust Kimball Skeleton, and for second Ultra Rare we have Galaxy Eyes Soul Flare Dragon. Nice. The Revenge of the Normal, Dino Wrestler Capoeira Raptor, Subsurface Stage Divers, and Patchwork Fluffle. Salamangreat Foxy, Giant Ballpark, Incantation Bookstone, Rise of the Salamangreat, Salamangreat Heat Leo, and Second Expedition into Danger. Salamangreat Emerald Eagle, Galaxy Cleric, and 2 for 1 team. Funny artwork. Last pack on the right side. World Legacy World Wand, Galaxy Brave again, Ostinato, Orcust Harp Horror, and Necrovalley Throne for a super rare. Purple Armageddon, Will of the Salamangreat, Orchestrated Core, and Diplexa Chimera. So far so good. Let's start with the left side. Salamangreat Foxy, Elves of the Nordic Alpha, Agave Dragon, Orcust Buzz Bombard, and Herald of the Abyss. Dino Wrestler Capoeira Raptor, Will of the Salamangreat, Salamangreat Mir, Incantation Pansy Plume. Rise of the Salamangreat, Dino Wrestler Capatera, Dino Wrestler Pankatrops again, Orchestrated Attack, Orcust Kimball Skeleton, and Galita the Orcust Automation. Patchwork Fluffle, Concentrating Current, Eternal Galaxy. Predaplast, Genghis, Parallel Panzer, Thunder Dragon Matrix, and Thunder Dragon Roar. Nice, ultra rare. Beautiful. Necron Fusion, Dino Wrestler Capoeira Raptor, Orchestrated Core, Will of the Salamangreat. So far we have 3 ultra rares and 1 secret rare. Bear Blocker, Giant Ballpark, King T Rexel, Rise of Salamangreat, Gokipo for our rare, and Extra Foolish Burial for our super rare. Diana the Light Spirit, Salamangreat Mir, Salamangreat Falco. Okay, next pack. Dino Wrestler Capitera, Incantation Bookstone, Dino Wrestler Pankatrops, Toll Hike, sorry, and Danger Dogman, Dino Wrestler Stegosaur, Eternal Galaxy, Crusadia Sparta, Patchwork Fluffle. Pack. Dino Wrestler King T-Rexel, Until Noble Arms Are Needed once again, Salamangreat Gift, Salamangreat Foxy, Consolation Prize, Chaos Dragon Levianeer for second secret rare, okay. Nice. Gravekeeper Spiritualist, Diana the Light Spirit, Galaxy Cleric. 6 more packs to go. High King Genghis, Crusader Crawler, Incantation Bookstone, Fight for Patchwork, nice rare, and Skystrike Maneuver, Vector Blast. Salamangreat Jaguar, World Dino Wrestling, Always of the Nordic Alpha, Galaxy Brave, Clock Wyvern, and Longircid Orchestrator, Necrofusion, Eternal Galaxy, Concentrating Current. So one ultra left. Salamangreat Gift, Orchestrated Attack, Gravekeeper's Supernatural List, okay, Gravekeeper Fusion Monster, nice, and Thunder Dragon Fusion for 4th Ultra Rare, nice, Orchestrated Core, Diana the Light Spirit, Gravekeeper Spiritualist, and Incantation Pensibloom. 3 packs to go. Imp Cotton Eater, Salamangreat Jaguar, Crusadia Crawler, World Dino Wrestling, Orchestrated Babel, Mystric Huddler, Perplexing Chimera, Dino Wrestler again, Salamangreat Falco. Invisibility Barrier, Alpes of the Nordic Alpha, Salamangreat Foxy, Orclust, Kimball Skeleton, Extra Foolish Burial, Salamangreat Mir, Necrofusion, Concentrating Current, and Diana the Light Spirit. Okay, last pack. Dino Wrestler Pankatrops, Orchestrated Attack, Bear Blocker, Dino Wrestler Capitera, Fight for Patchwork, Start from Behind, Purple Armageddon, Orchestrated Einsatz, Will of the Salamangreat, and for the last super rare we have Skystrike Maneuver Vector Blast. Okay, so far so good. For our Ultra Rares we have Thunder Dragon Fusion, Thunder Dragon Roar, Galaxy Ice Soul Flare Dragon, and Orchestrion. Our secret rares are Chaos Dragon Levianeer and Condemned Witch. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope you liked it.